Hello. This is Forest Clinic. Thanks for coming by. If this is your first time, subscribe to our channel, click on the notification button so that you follow up on our other videos. My name is Rollins, and today we'll be looking at technical analysis with TradingView technical analysis. So all you need to do is click on type tradingview.com. This is the address, and then on my profile on YouTube, you can also see my registration link for TradingView. You can use it to sign up. We have two options, the free version and the premium version. This is the free version. So once you open, you can see you have the daily, monthly, 3 hour, and the time frame. This is just a view of S&P 500. We have the Nasdaq, we have Dow 300, Nikkei, and FTE. So here we have the market summary indices, we have stock, ETF, crypto, forex, future, and bond. And then if you look at this page, this is where you can search for whatever asset you want to analyze. We have the products, community, market news, and all. And this is profile. I have signed up with them. That is why you're seeing it. You're seeing it because I'm using the free version. You can upgrade with this. So the next thing we want to do is, let's say we want to search for a particular asset. Once you click here, different assets will open based on what is highlighted. You can see if you're using this one, it will show all form of asset, both cryptocurrency, stock. You have the stock, we have the future, bond, forex, crypto, indices, bond, and all. So what we want to do now, we want to use NVIDIA as a case study to learn how to use the platform for technical analysis. So this is NVIDIA, it's 1 hour time frame. Then if you look at the left pane, you see that you have the charting tools. They are here. On the front side of the charting tools, you see an arrow that will show other available options. There you can see this, and then if you click on this, you have the trend line and all of that. The ones that I selected, these are the yellow ones that are bookmarked, and those are the ones showing up here. Look at this one also, you have the Fibonacci and other charting tool, Gann bars, Gann square. Then we have the long shots and all of that. We have, if you want to write, this is for text and all. If you want to delete anything, this one is also here. And then if you look at the top pane, you see your profile, the assets ticker. This is NVIDIA. You have the time frame. If you want to change from candle, bar, volume, step, area, you'll be able to change the type of chart you view. The indicators are all here, and you also notice that you'll be seeing ad if it is the free version, but if you are using the premium version, there is no ad. Another thing that you need to look at is on the top page, you see, like I said, these ones I can move them. I have bookmarked these charting tools, that's why they are here. I did that for easy access. You can always bookmark them. So you can also see that this is the ticker for the asset, and then on the left pane, you see if you want to publish, you see all that alert, you see my idea. These are your publications here, and on the other side you have all this other one: stock screener, pin editor, strategy tester, trading panel. So one other thing you want to do, take for example, you want to do analysis of NVIDIA. Let's say you want to just draw a trend line. You click on the trend line, you pick it up from here, and then you do it upward. And let's say you want to use Fibonacci, you pick Fibonacci from here. Take for example, you want to do it this way, you'll be able to draw that. So if you want to delete them, all you need to do is click on this button, you delete. If you select the item, it will show. You can change the color here. You can change the thickness of your diagram, and then you can delete here. If you want to do any setting, you can use this to do the setting, style, text, coordinate, and visibility. So this is a very good platform for technical analysis. This is just an overview of TradingView technical analysis. So it's a very good platform. You can also follow me on TradingView. This is my name on TradingView. If you click on it, it will show what I've been able to publish on TradingView. You can see these are my publications on TradingView. You can also publish. If you want to publish after charting, all you need to do is click on publication. Once you're done with your charting, you can click on your publication. So I will make a full video on other one on how to do analysis for a video. See you in other video. Do well to subscribe to our channel. So like I said, this is just how to analyze, to do technical analysis with Tradingview. We are not doing full analysis. So you can zoom out, you can zoom in. If you want to make use of any of this, you can click here. You'll be able to take the horizontal line. Let's say we want to make use of this. If you want to bold it, you can change the color here. You can reduce the width of the line. You can make it thinner. You can make it very bold. And then if you want to delete the line, you can also delete it from here. So you have that. If you want to, say for example, you want to use Fibonacci retracement, you can pick it up from there and you'll be able to do your Fibonacci retracement, while you can change the colors here. If you click on this wheel, you see this is the setting. You'll be able to do your setting for that particular one. Maybe you want to change the style, you want to change the coordinates, you want to change the visibility and you can delete it. And then if you want to measure, you can use this ruler to measure how far the asset has gone. Take for example, if you look at it this way, it's 44.3% and 117 bar. So that's that. So those are some of the things you can do with Tradingview. Tradingview is a beautiful charting platform. On this side, like I said, you can use this one to snap your screen. You want to save the screen. If you are doing analysis to publish, all you need is, after doing your full analysis like myself, all I need to do, if you see, this is my profile. You can search for me, Forest Clinic. I do publications here often. So let's say I have done my analysis and I want to publish it. All I need to do is click on publish. You click on publish idea and it will open. The place for you to do your analysis will open. You put your title, you do all your typing here, and you click on continue. So this is my profile. Just want to open my profile so that you guys can have a look at it as well. This is my profile. You can search for me here so you can follow me. You can see we are growing gradually. We have 147 followers, cryptocurrency. These are some of the charts that I have analyzed, and they are all doing well. People are happy about that. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly click on the subscribe button, follow us, share your thoughts with us. If you have anything you want us to analyze, you can comment on the notification on the comment section, and I will gladly do that. Thank you once again for coming by. Have a wonderful time, as I hope to see you in our other videos.